What's up, guys? So today we're going to be looking at my inside the waistband holster for my Glock 43. It is made by Fierce Defender, and it is a Kydex holster. A Kydex inside the waistband holster. In my opinion, I'd say it rocks. I think it's pretty excellent. So let's take a look at it. Right here we go. Magazine out. It is loaded because I carry it. Right now I don't have one in the chamber, but I usually would. But for video purposes, I do not have one in the chamber. For you, yep, we are clear. All right, so let's take a look at this holster here. That's it there. You see here, we got a clip here that goes over the belt here and clips, you know, like on it here. Let's take it out here. Let's take it out so we get a better look at it. All right, so here we are. Belt clip. This is the claw that pushes against the belt so that the grip of the pistol presses against the body. So the claw here presses against the belt and keeps the pistol in line with the contours of your body. If it didn't have a clip on it, the pistol would come out a little bit like so. So you would see the handle more, but with the claw, it keeps it in so that you wouldn't. All right. Again, it is Kydex. Let's check out the retention on it. So I'm gonna hold on the belt clip when I shake it, just so you know I'm not like pinching it or anything like that, right? So right now I'm just holding on to the belt clip. So here we go, shaking it. Vigorously. Good retention, right? Good retention. Retention is great. All right, let's get this on here. Get the claw set. There we go. See that claw keeps the grip of the pistol against my body there. You can see it there pressing against the shorts here and the belt. Again, without the claw, the pistol would stick out more like this, but with the claw, keeps it to the body. All right. Nice. I'd say so. Especially you really can't see it with a sweatshirt on. You throw a hoodie on, you probably ain't gonna be able to see it. Especially a darker colored hoodie. Dark blues, grays, black. Even now, I'd say with this dark shirt on, I'd say this is very acceptable. Now, you know, like that would be. That would be bad, right? All right, yeah, there we go, boys. Fierce Defender Kydex holster. I bought it on Amazon for like $49.95. So it's like 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Get one. Cool. All right, guys. Peace out.